Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat air fryer. It's a kind of two-in-one sort of air fryer. So much space-saving things on here because it gives you a 4-quart and a 6-cup that you can easily just transfer this heating element to either one, and you even get lids for them. So whenever you're done cooking, instead of having to transfer your food into another container, you actually are sent these little lids that you can just snap on there, and now you can put it in the refrigerator, freezer, whatever you're wanting to do to then keep that fresh. You also have this nice little insert here, so that way your stuff actually can breathe through the bottom. So that is nice, that can come in and out. And I also really appreciate this glass so you can see how your food is cooking. Now you do have 5 different preset things on here. Now on the top, it tells you all of the different temperatures and what you do with those. So if you just wanted to, re-crisp up some food that are some leftovers, so I've got some leftover chicken nuggets in here, all you've got to do is just set it on the re-crisp. You've got some little handles right here for your fingers to go in. We're gonna put our little chicken nuggets in there, set it down on here, and to toggle between them, they just hit your mode. And then if you want to select your time, you just select however many minutes you want to do. And we hit start. Then it takes off, and then it'll re-crisp. It'll say from 5 to 10 minutes, retrieve your leftovers. So we will let that run, and then we will check it out. All right, now this is all done. It shut off, and it gave some nice beeps on here. So let's take this off. You actually are given this nice little silicone mat here that you can easily just set this on, so that way it won't burn your surface. So that is a nice addition. And let's look at these little guys. Now this is nice and crisp on both sides. I mean, that worked great. I mean, these are gonna be a great way to be able to reheat food, use it in your air fryer, anything you wanna do with that. And whenever you're done, like I said, you can always take that off, use this included lid on here, wait for it to cool off, of course, and then put it in the refrigerator for later storage. So this is a great multi-use air fryer that can be used in any kitchen.